America's #1 smart home security system is Ring, and tonight is the rarity of being able to present something that might be working in conjunction with your Ring video doorbell, or perhaps by itself. Their full service security system at our best value of $249.99. I'm excited to do this one, Lori.
I am too. For the very first time ever, we're including a camera for you. The wildly popular, incredibly versatile stick-up cam. So this is an indoor-outdoor camera. You can put this wherever you want, mount it. It's really, really easy to use. We're gonna show that to you in just a moment. But here's what you're getting. Basically, this is your whole home solution if you want that home security system with sensors. This has everything. It's totally and completely expandable. Everything is prepared. And you said it, Adam, the Ring company, they have done such a great job of helping us feel safer in our homes, helping us create that ring of security. We've got outdoor cameras now. A lot of you own the Ring video doorbell. This will work in harmony with that system. Same application, works on your smartphones, Apple or Android. And here's everything that you're getting, because this is a huge kit.
Yes.
So you are going to receive a motion sensor. You can put that anywhere. And as soon as motion is detected, you get a push notification right on your phone.
Yeah.
And because you're getting a camera too, it can trigger the camera then to start recording, so you'll get that notification that motion has happened, and then you can start to watch the recording.
All works together.
They all work harmoniously together. It's incredible. You can set everything to work exactly the way that you want it to. You're getting this big keypad. This is battery operated. We're even including a wall plug for you. That is a $50 value all by itself. It is in this bundle. This is your hub that connects all of your devices. All you need for this is Wi-Fi.
Okay.
That's it. You're also getting here a Wi-Fi extender, because a lot of these pieces do rely on Wi-Fi, so folks very often say, well, what if my Wi-Fi is not so great? We're gonna help you with that, and then you even get one sensor that you can use on a window, on a door, your main entrance, the door going out to your garage, your back door, wherever you decide you want to place it, and then you can always add more sensors as needed. And the really neat thing about this system too is, not only are you gonna get a notification, not only does it set off a crazy loud alarm if you arm it before you leave and someone tries to breach the perimeter of your property, you can also do professional monitoring so that if someone does breach your property, they can send the authorities. And that's a $100 a year cost if you want it. You don't have to do it, but that professional monitoring is available with this system for $100 for the whole year. Which
is fantastic.
It's crazy.
You think about how much security systems and the ongoing fees cost you typically. Here's what we're doing tonight. Normally, the 5-piece alarm security kit is $199, and then it's another $100 for the camera. We're doing $50 off there or thereabouts. We're at $249.99 instead of obviously your $300. We're gonna send it to you with free shipping and handling, and it is on 5 flex pay. So $50 to get it home and to get you up and ready. One of the things that's always been very noticeable about the Ring company is their determination to make everything easy. I was lucky enough to meet the founder, Jamie Siminoff. We launched the products together 5 or 6 years ago. And the one thing that he said to me before we went live on air, Lori, was I want the folks at home to know that as good as the product is, what's even more important is every single person can install it. And with this brand new security system, you can do it yourself. You won't need anybody else.
No, you really don't. And I have to tell you, Jamie, incredible man. Like you said, we were with him right here at HSN from the very beginning when he first started coming in and presenting his products. This is his pet project. He is so passionate about having sensors on windows and doors so you know when people are coming and going. So here's the sensor that you're going to receive. It's got adhesive on the back. It's 3M. It's totally safe for your surfaces. But here's the neat thing. You're not drilling holes. No. You're not defacing any of your doors or windows or any of those frames. So if you move, guess what? You can pull it down and bring this entire system with you. So I'm gonna show you the 3 different modes right now. It's in disarmed mode. Now, for my house, I love this because I want to know when people are coming and going without startling us all. So here's that sensor. As soon as it kind of breaks apart, do you hear the ding, ding?
I heard it, yeah.
So you know when someone is coming and going. And I'll tell you, if you live alone and you hear that sound, you know that someone has come in or someone is opening a window, so you can be on guard and you can be aware. Now, the other thing you can do is you can set this at home. So as an example, maybe you want to set it before you go to bed. So that's going to turn off the motion sensor in your home, but it's going to turn on the alarm so that if anyone breaches your perimeter, and again, you probably have outdoor cameras. If you're part of the Ring family already, you might very well have those. this is that last line of defense. So if anyone tries to get into your house and that sensor breaks, you're gonna have a loud alarm. Yeah, can you hear that?
Wow.
It's a scary loud alarm. So that person is going to get out of there. It's 110 decibels. So then one more mode I just want to show you really quickly. So this is your away mode. And I just said it, and it even says it, so it's confirming for you, oh, okay, away mode. So that simply means, and you can give yourself a little timer too, so it gives you time to get out of the door. I've turned that off for live TV, but you can set it for a minute, so you can grab your handbag and leave the house very calmly, and then when you close the door, it's set and ready. So I wanted you to be aware of that. But in away mode, this is going to definitely trigger that alarm, but I wanna show you something else. I'm gonna walk over to the keypad and show you how easy it is to turn it off as well. So if someone tries to break in or opens that window, opens that door, you hear that loud alarm, you get that notification on your phone, and then you simply put in the code, and now you can turn it off. So you can turn it off free on the free application, or you can turn it off from that keypad. And this keypad has a built-in rechargeable battery, Adam, so you can pick it up and move it around your house. You don't have to charge it maybe once a week.
Right.
So you can sleep with it bedside, all of the pieces and parts that you need to really feel safe and secure in your home. And then we haven't even really scratched the surface on the stick-up cam. Yeah, I know it's a huge bundle.
Because normally we don't do the stick-up cam. We normally do the security system. So fantastic. I mean, a real home security system. You're protecting, you know, your patio doors, for example, the windows. We've got the alarm, which is loud. You've got the proper home base key entry pad. And now, of course, you've got a camera that can be indoors or can be outdoors, can sit by itself, or can be mounted to a wall. Give me the features of the camera, Lori. What can the camera do?
The camera's amazing. This is 1080p high definition. It's all weather. So if you're using this inside, outside, you can use it as your baby monitor if you prefer. So it's got a great little stand on it, just like this. That stand, we're including the tools for you. So you just unscrew that stand and screw it right in here at the back, and that's the base for it if you're going to wall mount it.
Right.
This has a quick release battery. So all you do is just slide the bottom. You don't have to take the camera down. You just slide off this part of the camera and then take out your battery, bring it into your home and charge it, pop it right back in, and you'll have about 4 to 6 months of use on a single battery charge, which is pretty incredible. All you do is pop it right back in. Then all you do is just line this up and twist, and you're ready, you're good to go with your Ring camera. And again, indoors, outdoors. I love this camera because your needs may change. Oh, see, and it's talking to me. It wants to get set up. All right, I'm gonna take that battery out so it stops. But it is a very simple process. So it talks you through it as you were beginning to hear. Now, real quick, come with me, because I want to show you this camera as it's mounted. So this is what it looks like outside. Not obtrusive. It's really beautiful. It does have the Ring logo on there, so anybody who sees this outside of your home, they're going to know they're being caught on camera.
Yes.
Motion detection. So as soon as motion is picked up, you get that smart notification. You could be anywhere. You could be at work. You could be on a road trip. You could be in the car. You could be anywhere, and you get that great notification. And I'll tell you, in this day and age, it's so nice to just know when packages are being dropped off, right? So let me show you that. This is gonna go live here in a second. And then what you're gonna see is, so there's all of our cameras. You're gonna see, this is 130 degrees wide with that wide angle view. You also have your green and your red phone right here. So that simply means that's two-way talk. If someone comes to your front door and you wanna say, hey, just leave the package right there. You don't even have to go to your door and, you know, be exposed to them in any way. You can just say leave the package and thank you so much for delivering it, and then hang up. The other thing that you can do with this, maybe you're watching and someone's doing something that makes you feel uncomfortable. You're gonna be able to set off an alarm on this camera as well. So it asks you, are you sure? And then sets off a really nice loud alarm, blinking red and blue lights up here. Simply, you know, really work together to be that ultimate deterrent. And then this even has infrared night vision technology too. So you can see in complete and total pitch darkness, which is really one of the cool things I love about this. It's a great camera, works anytime, anywhere. All you need is Wi-Fi to make it work. And you can see we've got some pretty bright monitors in here, but you can see that infrared night vision. It looks really crisp, really clear. It's a beautiful visual. Actually, it's not switching over because I think there's a big monitor right behind me and a big video wall. So I really, you know, thanks you guys for trying. I think it's just a lot of light in here. Yeah, they did. They tried, and I really appreciate it. But anyway, at home, when dusk comes, you can really see very well because it does that automatic adjustment.
Day or night, day or night. I mean, you've got the amazing versatility and the protection. That ring of security, as they often talk about. Maybe you have the Ring Video Doorbell. This will work in conjunction with your Ring Video Doorbell. There's a lot of benefits and certainly a lot of peace of mind with this. I love that you can choose to add on the professional monitoring and emergency response service.
Yes.
You don't have to do that, but you can do that, right,
You
Laurie?
can, you absolutely can. Now, keep in mind, if you pay the $100 a year to do your professional monitoring, and you might happen to have a Ring Video Doorbell, any of the other Ring devices, where typically you spend $3 a year or $3 a month or $30 for the whole year to save and store your clips, you'll never pay more than $100. So if you add this system, $100 is all you'll pay for the whole year, and that covers all of your cameras and the professional monitoring for your brand new Ring alarm system. It's an awesome deal.
We love you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. See you soon.
Stay safe, happy, and healthy. We appreciate Laurie being here with Ring. On the way next, our grand finale, Bose Wave Music.